Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, after setting up the theme in the admin, now we have a design here and we have to implement it in the Magento. So basically we will start from the here. It is a header panel and there is a two section. If you will inspect it, it's my design. So designer created this HTML, so it has a container, and in the left header he putting some content here, and in the right side he put it the sign in and the register. So I will not add the my account as of now because after sign in the Magento automatically added the my account in the drop down. So let's go to the code, and you have to go to the theme directory. As you know, we already created this theme, and you have to create the magento underscore theme folder. Inside it you have to create the layout folder. Inside it you have to create the default.xml file. So basically I have get the content of this default.xml file from the Magento core theme. If you will go here inside the, let me show you the steps. If you don't know, like you have to go to the vendor. Inside the vendor it is a Magento. Inside the Magento there is a module hyphen theme. Inside it there is a default.xml file. So basically here is the structure of your page. You can see here, this is the main content, and if you will go through in this file, then you will see then this is the header wrapper, this is the header links, and these are the top links. If you will go through these files, then you will see then how like Magento structure is working. Okay, so we have created this file. You have to pick the page layout and XMLNS. We will explain it later on. And inside it there is a body, and sorry, if you go to the Magento, we have to change this. So this is our header panel wrapper. This is Magento already provided this name. So in this container we have created a two container, left container and the right container, and before it, let me cut it from here so you will understand perfectly. Okay, so what we have done, we have created a reference container name is header panel and wrapper. It is defined by Magento already. I just pick it from here. So after writing it, we have to create a one container name equals to, this is the name. You can write it anything, it is up to you what you want to give the name. So I have to create the container, so I just created the header panel container. I have just given this name, and HTML class equals to container. This is the class which it will display on the front end. It is the basically class name, like you have added the class in the HTML, so the same thing it happen in the XML file. And here is the HTML tag is due. If you want to create the span, you can write the here span. If you want to take the p tag, so you can just write here the p. Okay, so inside this container you have created a two container. One container is the header left and second container is the header right. So after creating two container, let me do the control Z. We have to create the header top content. Basically we have to add this content here in the left side, and on the right side the sign in and the create an account link should display. So for this we have to create a static block in the admin, and that static block id is this header hyphen top hyphen content. So this is the way you can call a static block which is created by you in the admin, and it will display here in the header left panel. And in the header right section, what you have to do, this is basically the header panel, so I just move the element and destination is equals to header right. So basically header panel will move in this container. After saving it, so you have to do only this thing first time, and here in the bottom you just close the body and the page. So what will happen, it will display the structure on the front end after clear your cache. And let me show you in the admin the block I have created. You have just go to the content and click on the block, and this block will be displayed. I have created here block header top content. Here is the identifier header top content. This identifier I have written here header top content, and we have just simply added here the content what is displaying in our layout or in our design. Okay, let me open it. Meanwhile I can show you the structure because I already clear the cache and all. So here you will see it's a panel wrapper. It is the reference class we have just pick up. After that I have created the container. Here you can see here is the container class. After that the class is the header left and the header right. So here you can see it is the header left. Inside the header left this is the static block coming, the content is featuring here, and in the right side I have moved the panel header. So what is happening, you can see here what is happening. It is the left side, and in the header right, sorry this one is the different, this one. Okay, so what is happening here, this is the container, this is the header left, and this is the header right. In the header right inside it there is a panel header and there is a header link featuring. So like this you have to create the XML file and your header would be same as the design. So in the next video we will create a section for the logo and the search bar, and for the content text and the wish list and the cart page. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.